Today we're going to install the tailgate on this 2008 Toyota Tundra. Alright, so this one is going to have to be parallel with this one here. So let's go ahead and grab it. You're going to need both hands and slide it into place. Alright, just make sure you throw in the cables in there. Now we're going to go ahead and line this up and latch it into place. Alright, there, I latched it on that side, and I'm going to go ahead and latch it on this side. Okay, and on this one it's just going to sit right on top, just like so. Hold it with your belly, grab one hook, lock it into place. You can let it go now. Pick it up a little bit and give it some slack. Grab the other little hook, put it into place, and you're set. And that is how you install the tailgate on this 2008 Toyota Tundra. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.